Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 21 prepositions of our English grammar book. So first of all, what are prepositions? Prepositions are those words which show the relation of one thing with another. वो words जो कि किसी भी सेंटेंस में एक चीज का दूसरी किसी चीज के साथ रिलेशन शो करते हैं. Those are called prepositions. So you can look here some examples. Look at this picture and now here are some sentences. A boy is sitting under the tree. You can look here. Second sentence, a cow is standing near the lake. A house is behind the tree. A boy is swimming in the lake. A bird is sitting on the roof of the house. So you can look here some words which are written in bold letters: under, near, behind, in, on. These words are called prepositions because they show the relation of one thing with another. A word that shows the relation of one thing with another in a sentence is called a preposition. These words tell us the relation and the position. So you can look here some more examples. The first sentence is, we go to school every day. In this sentence, the word to is a preposition. Now, second sentence, I am standing with Sahil. In this sentence, the word with, this is a preposition because it shows the relation of one thing with another. Sentence number 3, we are waiting for the bus. In this sentence, for is a preposition. In the same way, these are two sentences. We are standing in front of a tree. In front of means के सामने. So, it's also a preposition. The next sentence, a bird is flying over the tree. In this sentence, over is a preposition. In the same way, here are some more sentences. Farah is standing between her father and mother. Between means बीच में. So it's a preposition. The next sentence is, the man is standing by the window. In this sentence, the word by is a preposition. In the next sentence, the dress is made of silk. In this sentence, the word of is a preposition. In the same way, the next sentence, they are smiling at one another. At is a preposition and June comes after May. In this sentence, the word after is a preposition. These words show the relation of one thing with another in these sentences. Now come to exercise A. Underline the prepositions in these sentences. Sentence number 1, the bird is flying over the tree. So in this sentence, the word over is a preposition. The next one, Jay sat between Ronnie and Sunny. So the word between is a preposition. The next sentence, please listen to me. In this sentence, to is a preposition. In the same way, we will do these sentences. Now come to exercise B. Look at the pictures and choose the correct prepositions from the brackets. In this exercise, you have been given some pictures. So look at these pictures and choose the correct preposition from the brackets which are given here. Sentence number 1, the clock is dash the wall, on or between. The right answer is on. On means पर. The clock is on the wall. The next sentence is, the cat is sitting dash the kittens. Between or on? So the right answer is between. Between means beach mein. The next sentence, the boy is playing dash a bat with or in front of. In front of means के सामने. But the correct answer is with. So you will write here with. Now turn over the page. Jeet is sitting dash the television in front of or over. So what is the meaning of over? The meaning of over is ऊपर. So the right answer is in front of. Now come to the next sentence. The teacher is standing dash the board near or on. Near means पास में. So the right answer is near. In the same way, we will do these sentences. Now come to exercise C. Underline the prepositions in the paragraph. You have to underline the prepositions from this paragraph. Jyoti is on the sea beach. So in this sentence, the word on is a preposition. So we will underline it. John is lying on a beach chair under an umbrella. So you can look here, the word on and under. These are prepositions. So we will underline them. In this way, we will do this exercise. Now come to the next page. Exercise D. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with prepositions to complete the paragraph. Hints are given in the box below. You have been given a picture. You have to look at this picture and fill these blanks with the help box. Here is the help box also. Okay, so let's start. The girls are sitting dash the benches. Where are the girls sitting? The girls are sitting on the benches. So the right answer is on. The teacher is standing dash the blackboard. Where is the teacher standing? Near the blackboard. Near the blackboard. So the right answer is near. There is a teddy bear dash a girl. Where is the teddy bear? You can look here. The teddy bear is in front of this girl. So the right answer is in front of. A chart is dash the wall. Where is the chart? The chart is on the wall. So the right answer is on. The teacher is explaining a sum dash the students. The teacher is explaining the sum to the students. So this chapter is completed now, and I hope that all of you have understood it very well. Thank you and have a nice day.